In this video, I'm going to show you how I decorated the behind the couch table. I also made a few projects. So I'm going to start off by making these iron-on transfer books. I printed off a picture off the internet, so what you'll need is a cutting mat, 3 pieces of cloth, a fabric cutter or scissors. I use the rotary cutter, a straight edge. I'm using a level because it's long enough. Obviously, or always a pen, and I printed off this image mirrored or backwards 3 times for all 3 books, and then 3 books. And you're also going to need some paint and a paintbrush. So I'm going to start off by painting the wording on the end so it doesn't bleed through or you don't see it on the fabric when I attach that. So it's just some white paint on the edge, and I'm going to put 2 coats on. While the books were drying, I decided to start on the next project, and I'm making those stamped books. So I just grabbed 3 books that I was actually going to get rid of, and some more paint and that paintbrush. So I started off by tearing off the cover, and then I painted each top of the book, the front page, and allowed to dry. I'm applying a second coat on all of the books. So I'm lining up the image to the books and marking the pages 1, 2, and 3, and just making sure that I'm putting the iron-on image on the fabric in the right spot. So I'm now ironing each piece of fabric in half so I can make sure I am finding the center, and it'll be easier for me to transfer on the image. I'm working on the stamped books again, and I am just hot gluing all of the books together. I use my Cricut to print out the wording. This is for my daughter and her husband and dog. So to finish off the books, I am using some ribbon that I had and some twine. I'm hot gluing them down, but unfortunately my hot glue gun was plugged in off camera. So now I am hot gluing the fabric onto the books. You could totally use Mod Podge for this, but I wanted it done today instead of waiting a couple of days for things to dry and making sure that it worked. So I decided on hot glue. To finish off my behind the couch table, I needed some more height, so I decided to take this IKEA plant that I had in my kitchen and add some rope around the bottom to give it a, a different look. And so I'm just hot gluing the rope layer by layer until I'm finished, and I will show you the big reveal. So here is the final version of the behind the couch table. So I took some bookends, some flowers, a candle, the books, and that plant all behind the couch, giving it a little more detail on that wall. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching.